Hey tech friends, welcome back in tutorial. In this video we are going to learn how to block on Instagram. For Facebook I already made one video on that, you can go and check it. So in this I will guide you now the gist and step by step process to block on Instagram. So let's dive into our video. First of all, open your Instagram application on mobile device, and before that make sure you will be logged in that. Now you can see here I already opened that application on my mobile device. So now you can see at the down your profile icon is there, tap on that. After that now you can see three horizontal line on the top, on right side, tap on that. Inside that now you can see here blocked option is there, click on blocked. So whom you want to block, now you can see here plus icon is there, tap on plus icon. I will select one random person. So now you can see here blocked option is there, click on block. Again tap on block. So now you can see here that person is blocked. If you want to unblock that person, now you can see here unblock option, click on that. Again click on unblock. So in this way you can unblock also. So in this way you can block on Instagram. So if you like this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below. Thanks for watching this video.